Let's make啫啫雞煲 or Sizzling Chicken Pot.
Alongside curry fish balls and baked pork chop rice, this might be the holy trinity of Hong Kong comfort food. It's bold, saucy, and absolutely iconic. We'll start by marinating 1 pound of boneless chicken thigh. I always go for the thigh because it's juicy and perfect for high heat cooking. Mix them well and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Overnight in the fridge is even better if you have time. While the chicken is soaking up all the flavors, let's make our sauce. This sauce brings the sweet, savory, and umami punch that make this dish irresistible. I soaked some bean curd stick and wood ear mushroom, and I prepare the rest of the add-on. Heat wok over medium-high heat and add oil. When the wok is hot, add marinated chicken. Stir-fry the chicken until it's lightly brown. We're looking for about 80% done, slightly brown but not fully cooked. Remove the chicken and set aside. Next, add your add-ins. Also highly recommend to use soaked bean curd stick and wood ear for that chewy, spongy texture that soak up all the flavors. Stir-fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes and then add the chicken back in and pour in the sauce. Give everything a good toss and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce thickens and the chicken is cooked through. Optional, but if you want to get that sizzling effect, heat a clay pot over medium heat and then add a little oil. Now is the most satisfying part, the啫啫sizzling. Serve it straight from the pot with a bowl of rice and maybe some icy lemon tea. This dish brings the sizzle of Hong Kong streets right into your kitchen. Like and subscribe for more Cantonese comfort food, and let me know in a comment what is your favorite classic Hong Kong dish. See you in the next video. Bye!